Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and a couple of days ago I went through my Amazon application and I realized, I think I actually mentioned this in a video before, I realized that now they actually ship directly to South Africa. Obviously it's a couple of products that ship directly to South Africa, not all of them. So I just wanted to show you guys how would that option work. So obviously you guys need to have the Amazon app installed on your mobile devices or even on your computers. Amazon, this is my Amazon application. You guys, as I said, you can have either download it for your phone or you can use the one on the PC, the one online, straight online. So as you can see here on top, there is the deliver to Pedro Sarasota something address. That's my my US address. This is the forwarding agent I use for sending stuff, or I used to send stuff here. So that's the address in the States. Which I can then do is click on this address and it actually shows me, I'm actually gonna have to blur out this thing out because you guys then ain't gonna see my address. So it shows me first of all the American address, which you guys can see right there, and then it also shows me the South African address, which I can automatically change and then use the Johannesburb 2198 address. So what then you can do is look for specific products. I actually managed to find 2 products that would ship directly to South Africa. So what you can do after that is obviously try and see if the product you want ships to South Africa. So let's just try that. Let me go to my actual cart because I have some stuff that I just saved here just in case when I decide to buy. So this item here is it's called Omotum. This is actually a stand for the Mac, which if you guys can read down here, it says this item ships to South Africa. So this is one of the items I actually came across that ships to South Africa. Probably there are a couple of more items that should be shipping to South Africa, but this is just one of them that I found. And the other one is also this, let me just see if I can find it, this headphone stand, which actually for the price is like $9. This is like really cheap. So this says this item also ships to South Africa. Now let's go choose an item that doesn't ship to South Africa so you guys can see what it will say. So on this item here, it will specifically say this item does not ship to South Africa. Please check other sellers who may ship internationally. So this is basically how it would work. But obviously you need to understand that even though these products ship to South Africa, it's probably gonna go directly to your local post office, and when you are shipping something using the post office, it tends to delay, sometimes actually tends to get lost. So yeah, this is what I actually wanted to just update you guys on, that Amazon is actually kind of shipping to South Africa directly, but I would still not recommend. And one other thing that I need to tell you guys is, although you have all these options, you still have a problem with your card, because if you don't have a credit card, you won't be able to buy from Amazon. I've tried my FNB debit card, I've tried the NetBank debit card, and it actually doesn't go through. One option that you can do is, as I always mention, or as I always tell you guys, is enroll or subscribe for PayPal. Get your PayPal account right, and then you can actually go to eBay and purchase a voucher, an Amazon voucher, which you then submit or redeem in Amazon to buy the products from Amazon. I know it's a workaround, but for now we're going to just have to work with the workarounds because they don't entirely or fully support our region of the world or of the continent. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. As I said, I wanted to update you guys on what's going on Amazon, because I saw this the other day and I remembered that I haven't really shown you guys that what's going on with the Amazon app. So yeah, this will be it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, obviously give it a like, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.